Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to bulk send emails using Sendinblue Brevo. I'll first head over to Brevo and then we're going to click on send bulk email with Brevo. So from there you have to make an account and then make sure to put in all of your right information, things like that. We're just going to click on answer later and there's no customer. So for you'll see there are different options 300, 2000 and 20,000. So we're going to continue with the free plan for now. After that, once we are done, let's go to the email option just like so, and from there if you click on create an email, then you're going to click on the campaign name, let's say subscribe, and then create campaign, and then just put in all of these editing options, and then once you are done you can click on preview and test, and from there you can add in all of your contacts over here, and then once you do you can be able to send up to 300 emails a day. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.